Let me tell you how much it's impossible for Donald Trump to remove the Department of Education. I'm going to do it in 1 minute. If you live in a red state and you voted for a Republican for your Senate or House of Representative, they're more likely than not that that Republican senator or House representative would do their job to help Donald Trump dismantle the Department of Education. But luckily for you, there are Democrats who are in the House of Representatives and the Senate that do not want to dismantle the Department of Education. And since Congress created it, only Congress can remove it. Every single thing Donald Trump has said and is going to say in executive order asking for Linda McMahon to dismantle the Department of Education can't be done because there's this thing called the Administrative Procedure Act that requires the government, the executive agency, if you're going to do anything such disruptive as dismantle the Department of Education, you have to follow procedures. That procedure includes a requirement that they actually have a notice and comment period, that they do some research, analysis, data, get some expert opinions, and they create a thorough record to support the dismantle of education. They've not done their record. They've not done the work. They've not built it. They've not done any experts. The dismantling is based on ideology and Donald Trump's whim and wishes of the people who voted for him. And we don't operate our business based on ideology, whims, and wishes. We use facts, stats, research, data, analysis, public comment. So without all of those things, every single thing that Donald Trump or Linda McMahon attempts to do to dismantle the Department of Education will be rolled back in courts because it would be in clear violation of the Administrative Procedure Act, separation of powers because he can't do that, and then a bunch of other laws and legal civil laws. And I want you to know that a lot of people say that the Supreme Court gave Donald Trump immunity to do whatever, absolute immunity. And you guys really do not understand that the immunity that they gave him is related to criminal immunity, say that he cannot be criminally prosecuted. So that decision in no shape or form told the Trump administration that he's allowed to actually disregard established civil law, constitutional law. He still has to abide by that because the punishment for him not doing those things is putting and replacing the people who were harmed back to where they were before he did this crazy order. So like how they're telling people to return of a probationary period, people, give people back the funding, restore their websites, open up act applications, all those things that they're requiring them to do won't hurt Donald Trump himself from running the presidency. So that's what the immunity decision was talking about, is trying to stop the president from being thrown in jail. But in no shape or form did they say that that law allows the president to continue this lawlessness. So I fully and firmly expect the Supreme Court, the majority, not necessarily his activist conservative wing jobs, but the majority will actually rein Donald Trump in. I'm firm believer in that. If they don't, check me here later.